How to set up anti-detect browser in PC. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up a anti-detect browser in your PC. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here onto this website, Icognition. Yes, this is the website that we're using, and what we want to do is we want to sign up. Don't worry, it is completely reliable and it's one of the best websites out there that offer you a handful of features and proxies. So let's get into it. So first things first, all we have to do is sign up and they will give us a free trial. It is completely free. As you can see, we have the free version right here, and there is the paid version as well. So you can see all of these features right here and their pricing as well. But we want to stick to the free version because we just want to test it out. So we want to click on try for free now. And then we just simply want to scroll down and proceed to checkout. Don't worry, it's $0 for every 6 years. Keep that in mind. And then you just simply have to register it and you are good to go. So to register your account, just enter in your username, your email address, your password, confirm it, and then click register. And then they'll send you a verification email. And once you've verified it, just simply click on proceed to checkout. Give it a couple of seconds. And then over here, just enter in your first name, your last name, country name, your email address, and you are good to go. Just fill out this form. After that, you'll have your account. And here you go. As you can see, your order is now received, your details are now in, and you are good to go. And now you can just simply go ahead and view your account and log in, and we can now begin setting up our anti-detect browser. So after you've downloaded, they will send you the email, and then you will just simply download the Icognition. So just simply click on it and it will begin download. It'll open up in another tab and you can just simply click on Windows to download. All right, so now that has been downloaded and it's ready to install, we'll just simply install it. And now we'll just simply launch the application, and now we'll just sign in. And this is the application right now. And over here, just click 64, click on update, and your browser will be updated. But yes, this is how it looks like. Now over here, what you want to do is you want to set up a proxy. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to create a profile. Right over here is profile management. Over here are going to be your groups, unassigned, you have team management, all of those other settings as well. So first things first, we want to do is you can go ahead and create a group, assign and unassigned. It depends on you. Then you have your profile. So let's go ahead and create a new profile. Simply come over here, click on create new profile. And over here, you can add whatever type of profile you want. So let's say you want to use Discord, you want to use Instagram, you want to use YouTube, you can just simply put it over here. So let's say YouTube right here. Over here, you can select the group if you want to. So a browser has just been updated again. We can add group over here. You can add the group, click on save group. It's creating, group has been created. We'll select YouTube group and we'll select YouTube 1. And over here, select the operating system. You can choose whichever operating system you want. So we'll just choose the latest version. Then all we have to do is go over here, click on proxy and add proxy. So you can add HTTP proxy. You can add your IP port number, your proxy username, proxy password, rotating it, whatever you want, but it depends on you. For now, I'll go with without proxy. Then you have your time zone, WebRTC, geolocations, navigation extensions, fonts, and all of that. So once you're done with all of these settings, once you've applied all of these settings, then what you need to do is just simply click on create a profile, and that should be it, right? So over here for proxy, it also says you can just type in URL, column port, column username, column password to autofill the field. So I'll just do that. And once that's done, you can just simply click on check proxy to check it. Give it a couple of seconds. So it says proxy, error connecting, but I think that's my internet. But yeah, once you've done that, just simply, you know better than me. You can add more proxies over here, and you can add custom proxies over here. So it depends on you. If you already have a proxy, you can add it over here. And once you've added all of these connections, all of these settings, right, then all you need to do is just simply click on create a profile. It says creating a profile right here. Profile has been created. Then what you need to do is just simply go ahead and click on start, and it'll start. But yeah, I'm actually going to go ahead and edit this and go ahead and disable the proxy for now. Just there you go, proxy has been disabled. Now I'll just simply go ahead and run it, click on start, and now what will happen is the browser will open up, and here we go. So this is the YouTube browser, and I can go ahead and use it and I won't be detected. So this browser is anti-detectable. So there you go. You can create multiple different browsers as well. So we created a YouTube browser. You can create a new profile and call it, like, let's say Discord browser, and you can add like multiple different Discord browser, and you can add multiple different YouTube. So since we already have YouTube 1, we can create YouTube 2 and over here we can assign it to the YouTube group, and we can select the windows and we can randomize footprint, it depends on you. And then what you can do is just simply click on create a profile, and your YouTube profile too is ready as well. Simply click on start and it'll launch up and you are good to go. So very simple. So this is how you do it. This is how you set up a anti-detect browser in your PC. Now I know that because of my proxies weren't ready, but you can just simply go ahead and go online and find different proxies such as Smart Proxy. This is a good website where you can find different proxies as well. This is a proxy provider. Smart Proxy is a great website. It is a great proxy provider. You can go ahead and use this website to get yourself some proxies. There are tons of other websites out there as well, so you can go ahead and find your own proxies and you can install them. And to do that, you just simply come over here. Let's say you want to create a new profile, right? Click on new profile, click on add proxy, and over here you add all of the proxy details, the username and all of that, and you select the main provider, whatever, and your proxy will be added and you should be good to go. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you set up a anti-detect browser in your PC. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.